Hello guys, it's almost Christmas, so I'm going to make this gingerbread house, which is right here, and I'm going to do a magic trick. No knife, please. I can do it on my own. There. That's cool. Oh no, I did the opposite way. So inside it's this, and there's Christmas tree gummies, and more circle gummies, and these cute little gingerbreads, and the snowflake candy and M&Ms and buttons that we can't eat or we'll die. And this is the two house bases and the walls, which is going to break. And this is what is this? Shaving cream. I'm not shaving cream. This is the only cream. This is cream. And this is the sidewalk, so we don't need that a lot. So I throw this away and I'm so stupid. This, they said it's the base of the things that I need to put together. And this is the instructions. First, you put everything decorated. 2, and then put it together. 3, and then put the roofs on. And 4, decorate the house, and boom, you did it. I don't need the box. Bye-bye box. And there is the gingerbread, and there is this brick wall that the 3 little piggies made that it broke. Yeah, the wolf is so strong. Oh my god. And then there's this window-ish, rockish thing. And then there, ooh, wow. And there is this house base that there's one in the back and one in the front and there. And these are the thingies that you decorated, and there's the buttons, the snowflake, the gummies, and then vanilla ice cream. No, it's not completely ice cream. Yeah, it is ice cream. It's hard. And I'm going to eat this M&M looking M&Ms, and I'm going to taste the blue ones. Yeah. Well, bye-bye. I'm going to eat another one. I hate that. Tastes like chocolate. Chocolate. No, it don't. Tastes like this button. Tastes like vitamin. Delicious. Ooh. And there's this jelly. I think it's sour. Sour Patch. I'm just guessing everything wrong. And now I'm going to taste this snowflake. I'm going to eat the snow in real life. And lastly, the tree. What? There's no wood. Deliciosos. I'll rate this a 1 out of 10, a 5 out of 10. I'll give this like a 4 out of 10, a 6 out of 10, and this is a 10 out of 10. Yeah, everything's not that good. Well, this is the best. And there is all these cookies, and where's the whipping cream? There's the whipping cream. The creamy thing, and I need scissors. Where's the scissors? That's a knife. Stop giving me a knife. I won't kill everyone. No, thank you. There's the scissors. Gimme. Yay. And there is all these candies, so I'm going to taste it first. And there's the buttons. I'm completely going to die if I eat this. I know. Wow. And you just need to put this whipping cream, I think. What was this? Frosting! In this window, all the windows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 windows. It's kind of hard, I think. Oh my god. Use it. What? Am I doing magic? I'm almost done this window. This is taking a while. Oh, it's this and this. And I'm going to put this chocolate frosting, which is not in here. I just made this. Not made this. I mean, like I just bought this from another set, which is not from Christmas. It was not my birthday too. It was just like like a non-birthday cake. So it's a handmade cake. It's a DIY. Ooh, it kind of looks like poop, water poop, diarrhea. Yeah, diarrhea. You. And I'm going to put these things on this base plate, and then I'm a little freaked out. Oh no, the Christmas trees. And we done decorating this. It take like 1 day or 1 hour. I mean 1 hour. And I put this, no, not the cameraman, I'm not going to tell you who it is, put this glue looking frosting, and I'm going to put this thingy on the, I'm worried about the Christmas tree. There. It's going to faint. Don't faint. Okay, thank you. And then the back of the thingy. Ooh. There. And then where's the glue? Where's the glue? Oh! So I done making this gingerbread house, and it looks like a mansion, but there's is this 2 cookies that's in Cookie Run Kingdom, I think. And there is this Rudolph nose in this place too. And there is 2 doors. There's one in the back and one in the front, which is very not awesome. And the roof is completely restly, so beautiful, like what else? Like a Christmas tree, which is one Christmas tree is in prison right there, and one Christmas tree is like what can I say? Yeah, I can't say it like this. Like it's out of prison, and the door don't open, so that's really sad. Bye, and make sure you like and subscribe the video. Bye.